Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of Macbook Air with M3 chip. This is a new laptop that I just got it from the Apple store in Delhi, Saket. This is a MacBook Air and this is how it looks. You can check all the details here. It's a 13-inch MacBook Air with M3 chip, 8 GB memory, 256 GB SSD, and I got it for myself. And let's do the unboxing of the MacBook Air. Okay, so the very first thing is that you are going to remove the tape here. It's on both the sides. It's just stuck really well, but it comes out also very easily. Yeah. Now we are going to turn it around and see how it looks from inside. Ooh, yeah. So with all the Apple products, you will always find a white film wrapped around their products. I got the midnight black color because I really love this color. They had 4 options: silver, starlight, space gray, and midnight black. And this is really my favorite. This is the latest color that Apple has, and it's beautiful. So this is how this laptop looks. I got it 13-inch because I never wanted a bulky laptop. I just can't carry. It's very heavy. Yeah, this is how it looks. Within the box you will also find the charging cable. This is the charging cable. Looks really nice. One thing you will always notice about Apple products that they are well designed, like a piece of art. They look really beautiful. The touch and feel is amazing. This is the charger. This is again beautiful. Yeah, and the battery backup of all the Apple product is especially in laptop, it's amazing. Not so much in phones, but in laptop it's easily 6 hours, 7 hours. So yes, this is the unboxing video, and I'm going to set up my profile, and future videos will be edited on this MacBook. Thank you so much for watching the video.